Hello guys, welcome to our channel My Project Ideas. In this video we will see how to create a Tic Tac game in HTML using Chat GPT. So let's start. Create a Tic Tac Toe game in HTML. So guys, the code is complete now. Just as you see in this scenario, if you face the same situation where your code has suddenly stopped writing, don't panic. This is not an error. This is just that the token limit for a single chat is reached. You can just go ahead and ask for the further code and it will give you the further rest of the code. So let's copy paste the whole code into index.html file. Let me get the rest of the code, paste it as well, click save, open the file. It seems you're not able to see the game, maybe the color is different. Let's ask ChatGPT to change the color. Okay, let's copy the code. paste it in the head, copy the rest of the code, save this, let's refresh. So here's a tic-tac-toe game. Let's check it out. Yes, so we are able to see each cell and it's easy to play. So you see, it has a draw logic as well as let's check for the winning logic. We have a winning logic as well. Let's just enhance the UI and put some animations as well. Okay, so we have code snippets for the CSS as well as for JavaScript. Don't get confused if you are wondering where these codes will fit in. We can just ask Chat GPT to put it all into a single file. Okay, so let's copy the whole code into a single file. Let's use the code, paste. Let's copy the rest of the code. Let's save, hit refresh. Okay, so we have an animation here in the beginning. Let's play. Okay, you see even the color changes. So we have a tic tac game in HTML. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.